Wanted to send all personalized emails and SMS with the help of automation? In this video, I'll show you how to create an automation which will do all of this and no manual work is required for that. So let me just quickly show you how I'm doing it with the help of make.com and bunch of scrapers and chat model, a private assistant. So let's get back to my Google Sheet here. I have plenty of clients as you can see, and I want to send so many mails to them, and I want some specifications like description, like they are working in IT field or they are working in startup. So I want to send some personalized mail to them. So what I will do is I will rather type particular mail to each of the client and I will spend a lot of time there, or else I can do is I can create an automation for that which will generate content and which will send it automatically. So let's see here what I have created. An automation which will be getting all the leads from the Google Sheet and creating contents with the help of scraping. I've used two scrapers here and a personalized GPT which will give me a content in the form of subject line and emails, and I will store them in the Google Sheet. As you can see here, I'm storing them in the Google Sheet, and after storing them I can just quickly send it, like with the help of Twilio I can send it on SMS, and if I want to send it on mail then I can send it to mail also. So if I am going to do it manually, it will take a lot of time, but rather than creating an automation, it will just help me boost my client reach and lead. So yeah, just boost your business with the help of these automations and follow us for more information. Thank you so much.